Bunyo Gambia, the biggest the audience. So anyone who on that market, you are safe for the next 20 years. The longevity with ST and Gambia. Other artists don't have it in their countries. You know why? Because ST fans have been young and they're still young. The digital fans young, still young. Man, I talk on this podcast. Industry might call us cutters, but look how young we are still.
Okay, I just I just wanted to chip on that and just talk about it. Come, ENC, I just come how much Gambia come so hey danga wa yeb. Come dañu wa fi be eleg. But then there are a few things dama bëgg ñu waxtané ko pour audience tamit ñu understand ak fans yi. This young fans yo wax ni tamit. Mun nañu xol ENC rek. ENC maybe like mu ngi génné won hit songs Nyamba Kawas, you know, Boom Daga Dag, you know, call them hits. Come enough hits. Understand ma? Come but ENC talk now like 1 year génné wut album, mu ngi work on other business side of him, mu ngi topoto family. Come dañ defoon ne ENC léegi old school la, but ENC come he cannot be relevant anymore. Come ba pare ñoom dañ lay kill. Te loolu noonu dafa omba si promoters yi dafa omba si fans yi dafa omba tamit si mindset bi foog naa mindset bi moo gën a bon mindset bi bro. imaginal da ngaa ñëw on stage nga war a performal sa audience yi ñoom dañoo xam ne kii artiste la but then feel leen like ne kii léegi kii kotoy leen. How can music be kotos? Youssou Ndour ba léegi mu ngi ñëw di lekk xaalisi Gambian yi. Youssou Ndour mu ngi nii màgget na ba léegi mu ngi nii di ñëw di lekk xaalisi Gambian yi di feesal stade di feesal kuy di te yow ku nekk Gambia fii yaa ngi woy amaanguloo a decade in your career sax ñu ne yow léegi da nga óol.
So xam nga lan moo dee problème moo tax ma ne la ne instead of we drive the industry, we drive the audience drive us. Industry players ñu bari understand the power they have. When you building a show, you don't build a show only around hot artists. You have to have a segment. So you have to segment it. You have to bring in the crowd pullers for your money because kuneka in the show and you still want to make your money. You have to put on the hot artists, they are the crowd pullers. Get this at the back of your mind. Most of the big shows, the crowd pullers are not the best performers. So they may, for example, like Nyom Songfest, all these big shows, even Nyom Somalia, the crowd pullers they are there predominantly. They keep the show, they keep the audience coming. But there are audience on come. They've been going to show for a long time. They're here for the show. They are entertainers. Their life is the craft. They perform.
Yeah.
They entertain the audience. Who balance. Because all the hot songs you are there, let's say the biggest songs in the world. So they must show. Artists will play like they are there, like vibe. But what comes after that? Performance, they keep the energy of the show. The third part of it is the upcoming artists. Upcoming artists, to bring them to the show, give them the chance to be with these big artists for the audience to see that these are the next ones. For these hot artists, when their songs don't trend anymore, performers are always there. Even a hot artist who hot on 2 years ago, they more trying to be a performer. And with a hot song, or he's a performer. You still have him on the show. But there are some artists, they will always appear on the show. They have a big song or not. Bounty Killer and Elephant Man and Beanie Man will always be on shows and tables, and even if they don't have songs, they are performers. They will keep a show alive. Understand? Right now, for example, in the Open Mic Festival, you have to bring in the ST, the usual attack, the trending. You have to come. They keep the energy going.
Yeah.
But you have to actually back them up with legendary performance.
Yeah.
Boy, there's this performance that Mandy Mori does, this Jalex does, this Balarangs, Jalimadi, Parhama. They don't have to have a hot song to perform on a show. They only need an audience for them to perform for. These people keep a show. They give people a show. And then you bring in the upcoming artists and let them understand you guys are the next. Your responsibility, sell yourself. Show these people that you are the next. So you have to mix these three generations on every concert. Gambian concerts are centered on one generation, mainly. So Modeta, if we don't pay attention to that, we might not have those platforms lasting longer. because people are going to be seeing the same thing. Because remember, artists who hot bobo how many day before the show, I'm not sure who perform. If I do a show perform next day, if I'm not sure who perform. But there's a big guy who wanna perform, play it for 2 months, ready for a big show, he will kill it. So from that balance, but the more industry they have longevity. And also, it doesn't matter how long the league be done, like 10 years ago or 15 years ago, as long as the job will bad, give that person the space to move one league. Like last time I was on Best of the Best and I was addressing the DJs. Sometimes people don't listen. They don't understand when you speak with them. They understand when you show them. You know, I did 12 years of radio as a DJ, running Gambia's biggest clubs, Wow Night Club, Crystal Club, being performing as a DJ, trying to communicate with people. Understand that? And still, we change a little bit, but the Marie Magisne, I'm a little bit monkey.
Yeah.
I'm like, man, someone set me on Best of the Best. This is how I want to do it. You gather 10,000 Gambians. Bro, Bena Songi Jelba I played for. Bena Songi Tata in Pabo played for. Bena Songi Samusu played for. Bena Songi Freaky Joe Singer played for. No dialects, no Oluganda. What are we talking about as a people? The younger industry. You will show you guys are normal.
Yeah. Tell Lolumona Kabalamade, what be never
because here's the thing that hurts me. Imagine, this is ANC talking. I don't need to be booked on a show to make money in the world. None of them show I make money and I do my performance and move. But I wanted to make a statement for us to understand. It's a responsibility for all of us. You artists, see your thousand on the stage and say, yo, because no my artists. We don't even want to accommodate that in our hearts, bro. Because of okay, man, dance all artists. What is artists I was playing on the show? You Benjamin and you Silky Chris. That predominantly generation they thought those were my competitions. When I was playing those songs, they weren't even in the country. I don't even tell them I'm playing your song. What I'm saying is there are songs supposed to be played. And those were just examples. Imaginary, right? I don't want to say this here, but I want to give people an understanding and an idea. Imagine you understand them. When you organize a show, artists they are not performing on the show. Their songs should be played. And they are not your enemies too, bro. Enemies, bro. They are not booked on the show. When you may entertain the audience, you find until the show proper starts. People understand this part. So DJs, I was not disrespecting nobody. I was making a statement there. These people are part of us and they haven't delivered. But one of them parents they got heartbreaker. Bro.
Little more kill.
That's the way we kill our own legacy. And then, listen, once that's happening, we don't change that culture. No artist is safe. Because your time is so relevant, they're going to kill you. So don't think you are relevant today. It's okay to forget about the others. So that's the way they're going to treat you. Next 5 years, you as well. So it's better we have that conversation, let them understand. It's not all about the foreign music. Up until now, I'm not going to play our music nice. But still, I'm not with this. We'll play a whole Afrobeats and a whole piano segment, 2 hours, and then go choose a segment to play Gambian piano. Play a Gambian piano next to the main piano. So play a Bona Boy, singer play Jizu. So play Davido, finger play Lee. So play Bastion, song, Fonga play Attack. You get me? You have to show the people that these are good musicians. These are good catalog of songs. So if you separate them, you tell the artist, you tell the audience that there's class to this. Understand?
Yeah,
so what we sell is what the audience will buy. You know, and that responsibility, the artist, the DJ, the